Hey guys, okay, for today's video we have a lot of things to do and I'm going to be showing y'all on camera. We're going to be spending the day together. So for today's agenda I have is start taking my protein, so I'm drinking my coffee. I have to wash clothes because I had got a lot of clothes on Monday, like new clothes which needs to be washed. I need to shower because I wasn't able to shower last night, so that's part of my little agenda. We need to shower today. We need to go get groceries, and the last thing we need to do is clean my vanity because this girl is a mess, and I think we need to vacuum as well. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so here I am doing the bed. I do put all the blankets in the closet. I started doing that and it just saved the hazard on leaving them on the bed. So yeah, my kid loves to take all the blankets out, so that's why you see so many blankets. So then I started to organize my shoes, y'all, because they were looking so messy and I can't find my shoes like in the morning. So I decided to get that all together, and then my kid keeps breaking this off. Like, it doesn't break, it just comes off. So here I am screwing it back on again because it's so annoying. And yeah, so then I am washing clothes. So here I am. I like to separate the clothes wash. So I do start off with black clothes and then colored clothes, and then I do leave the towels and then the white color together. So then here I have my vanity. Y'all, it is a mess. I was watching some Korean shows and literally I made a mess in my room. So I'm just putting everything back to where it goes. And then I went to the kitchen because I was going to snack on my protein intake. So I decided to put everything away before I even decide. Y'all need to try these. They are so freaking good. I got them at Sam's. Only way my kid let me shower is by basically having him in the door with the door open. So I'm gonna make food. Well, I'm gonna make the rice because I forgot I got rice, and the food I'm making requires rice. And I'm starting to get hungry, so I think I'm gonna just make the food right now. And I should be done by 3. But I think I'm just gonna let my hair air dry. I was thinking of blowing it out, but I think I'm gonna let it air dry. So yeah, I feel so fresh. I was about to shower yesterday. Well, by yesterday I mean last night, but my kid didn't let me. Okay, so here I am getting the rice together. I do add onion, garlic, and chicken bouillon. I forgot the sazon. I realized here like literally when the rice is about to be done, but I was still able to mix it. First time I forget. And then I got these little straws, cleaner thingies on Amazon, and they're actually pretty good. I got these for my kid, little bottles. If you have a kid, you know. I don't want these to get mold, so I was like, let me order these straws. They were like $6 for a pack of 6, and they were so easy to freaking clean, y'all. Like, I love them. So now I know for sure my bottles of my kids are definitely super clean. Y'all, I'm 23 and I still don't know how to actually cut potatoes. Like, I still struggle. Like, I can actually cut my freaking finger. My mom's right. I've been like cutting since high school and I still don't know how. So yeah. So then here I am mixing the Roma and jalapeno. Y'all, this food was so good. Like, it was super bomb. And then yeah, I did make a lot. Like, I used the whole container. Either way, si queda, pues I have for tomorrow. Because usually my meals will last for the next day. Like, I have leftovers. So yeah, here I am cooking it. Make sure it gets cook. And then I add the papas when it's almost like fully ready. I add the papa, and this is when I realized that the pot, it was too small, like the pan. So I switch over to this one. Then I add the salsa that I made, and it was so bomb, y'all. This is called bistec like mexicana, and it's so good. Always wash your dishes so you can have clean plates when you're eating. So yeah. Here I am back to washing clothes, which I'm washing colorful clothes now. So here I am doing that. But I wasn't able to fill it up all the way either, because when I filled it up, for some reason it like was coming off from the other side. So I'm like, how it looks. Like I said, I filled it up with warm water, but I'm trying to figure out how would I fill it up all the way up here. Alright. Wait, where's the... Don't tell me they don't have it. Fuck. Oh, acá está arriba. I'm gonna get this one. And I'm gonna get this combo. I'm gonna get this one. And then I think this is the one that was Should we get these? I got a lot of these stuff that I need. I have sensitive skin. I got the cherry skin, the gum rounds. We did spend a little bit of a budget because I got hair remover for like my whole body because I think razors are not good for me. And then I got a new body wash skin, so I got I got the wrong one. Oh my god, I got the wrong one. This is pomegranate and I got cherry. I'll still make it with whatever. Pomegranate, like would that even be a good combo, like cherry and pomegranate? I hope so because I was really excited. And then we got the Mighty Patch for the pimples. Oh my god, y'all, they had the freaking Hello Kitty ones, but they were all sold out. And then my man got this for his forehead because he's breaking out, and we picked up the acne cleanser, some flossings, and then we don't have toothpaste, so we got toothpaste. I got my kid a new toothbrush because we were sick and I did not know that you have to switch out the toothbrush, so I got him this new pack. And I got some batteries because my kid got like this bubble thing and new batteries, so I was like, I'm gonna pick up the bulb. I'm not gonna put it on till tomorrow because you're gonna want to be blowing bubbles and it's gonna get everything wet.